Okay, so we often get questions from customers about how does Azure fit into our current virtualizations environments and our current kind of hosting setup. Now the answer to that's got a couple of layers to it really. I mean from a server and services point of view, the fact it's in Azure is largely irrelevant. I mean you extend your on-premise network into Azure. Azure becomes a logical next data center for your equipment. You stand up virtual servers and services in there and you manage them and touch them like they are just other servers in your environment. Now, I suppose in a more service level description of that, we've been working with some food manufacturers today that have got large data, file system data problems. And we've looked at some solutions using Azure Storage, where Azure Storage becomes the primary repository for file system data, and then we extend that back into the on-premise environment using technologies like DFS and branch cache in Windows Server. So that's like a seamless end-to-end service where you've got part of the service on-prem, part of the service in Azure, all working together in concert to provide like a single solution for customers. I suppose the third element of that is if you've got a large investment in virtualization technologies, maybe it's Hyper-V, maybe it's vSphere, maybe it's XenServer. With the Microsoft management tools like System Center and Virtual Machine Manager, you can kind of bolt all of that together and have a single management pane across your Azure subscription and your on-premise virtualized environment, whether it be a Microsoft platform or not. And if you do have Hyper-V on-premise, certainly the later versions of Hyper-V, you get the added benefit of being able to shift workload into Azure and back again quite seamlessly.